Now, if your spark plug looks like this, yeah, it's probably about time to change that out. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the next episode of Joe Fix It Vids. We're about to change the spark plugs out in this 2015 Toyota Corolla LE 1.8 engine. Stay tuned. We got the spark plugs right there. We got the tools for the trade right there. Ratchet, extension, a 9/16 socket, and a magnet. The first thing you want to do after you open the hood is remove this top piece. It's got 4 little points that pop into place on each corner. I've already loosened them, so just pull that off and move that out the way. And then you'll expose your coils, which are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just so you know, inside these coils is your spark plugs. So to remove these coils, we're going to take this little connector here. It's got a little pinch point. Sorry about that. Pinch it, pull it off. And then you're going to use a 10mm socket. Take that bolt off right there. All right, y'all. So we get 10mm ratchet socket. Break that. Shouldn't be too tight. Once you get it loose, just take that all the way off. Just like that. Pull this all the way out. Just like so, and set it to the side. Now, as you can see, this is where that little swivel would come in handy, because we can't reach in there due to this back piece. So we're gonna have to get there by other means. And by other means, I mean piece by piece. We're gonna drop our 9/16 socket in there gently. And then with your extension, find it, attach, and then attach your ratchet. And now break that. Once you got it broke, just twist it on out. Okay, this one's gonna fight me a bit, so let me loosen it a bit more. And then we'll twist it on out. Once it's all loose, you probably got it ready. Once again, we'll have to break everything apart to get it out. And that's where the hero comes into play, the magnet. Get your socket out of there. Go back in, get your spark plug out of there. Now, if your spark plug looks like this, yeah, it's probably about time to change that out. So we're gonna replace that bad boy. So once you've acquired the appropriate spark plug for your make and model year vehicle, see, that's nice and clean. We're about to put this in same way we took it out. So take your spark plug, lay it in the hole as gently as you can. Get your socket, follow it up, get your extension, find your socket, make that connection, and you want to make sure your spark plug sits in there just right so you don't cross thread anything. So you might have to wiggle it around a little bit, find the sweet spot till you get it right, and once you do, tighten it down. Once you found your sweet spot, just guide that thing right on in. Once you get it nice and snug, and that's it. It's in there. Pull everything out piece by piece once again. Due to clearance issues, get your socket out. And then you want to put your coil back in. Slide it right on back in like so. Align the hole. Get your bolt. Pop it right in there. You want to get your 10mm. The infamous 10mm. And if you don't know why I'm saying that, that's because you just don't know. Get this on there nice and snug too, not too loose, not too tight. Don't overdo it, but don't underdo it. Put your connector back on just like that. Now you're gonna want to do this same process for this one, and this one. Once you've completed that 4 times, the mission is completed. All said and done, you should have a good spark now, which will help your fuel economy and some other shit too. So once you got all 4 replaced, it's time to put your top back on. Now these are your connection points for where your cover goes on. 1, 2, there's 3, and that may be it, ladies and gentlemen. You put your cover on, snap it back in place, and be done with it. Here's the underside of your cover. Here's where it'll connect. Alright, now once the cover is on, the mission is complete. Just don't forget to remove your old spark plugs and tools from up there. And you can close the hood and call it a day. See how this thing runs now. Hopefully better. Anyways, that's it for me. Peace out. Joe Fix It Vids. Be sure to hit the page, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you will. I'm out. Until the next one.